Hello everyone. Our group topic is description, and city life is an example of description. And there are our group members, Joanna and Alice, and I'm Teresa. And our advisor is Chris. So welcome our first reporter, Joanna. Give her a hand. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Joanna. Our topic is description. What is description? Description is a type of essay. It can help you to describe a stuff or things. And it also can have readers have picture in their mind. So, if you want to write a good description, there are 4 tips you have to know. Details of location. Our example is, my favorite cup is always on the top of the shelf. On the top of the shelf is the details of the location about my favorite cup. Next. Details of appearance. The table has a round shape and it is painted in red. So a round shape and red is details of appearance about the table. Exaggeration. The house is too... Exaggeration is mean when you describe something too over or impossible. So the example is, the house is too small, contain an ant. There is no house smaller than ant, so it is impossible. And it can let people express your sentence. Next. Less important point to more important points. This doesn't matter, or you can use more important points to less important point. But our example is using less important point to more important point. First, my favorite piano is in my room. Is using details of location. Third, this is in stylish black. Is using details of appearance. I could play all day long. Is using exaggeration. Make readers remember or impressive your sentence. The main idea is my dead grandmother gave it to me. Okay. Next reporter is Alice. Give her a big hand.
Hello, it's Teresa. Okay. And my topic is city life. I'm going to ask you guys some questions of it. First is, when you hear city life, what would you think about? Manson, please answer the question.
Hey.
Please answer, thank you.
Could you repeat your question again?
When you hear city life, what would you think about?
It's very convenient.
Okay, thank you. And there are some answers is like air pollution or crowded. You will think about when you hear city life, right?
I agree with you.
Thank you. And next is, which do you like, countryside or city? I would prefer city when I'm still young. But when I'm getting older, I would like countryside because it's more quiet and it's more suitable for all people. And next is, can you mention some problems when you live in city? Manson, please again.
Like you say, air pollution is a big problem, and
Thank you.
you have to spend a lot of money than living.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, next page. This is structure of city life. And at first paragraph, it mentions city's mayor. City's mayor's name is James Lerner, and he has been mayor of the city for 25 years. And he also did some important works for the city, such as transportation. At each bus stop in the city, he has it has 40-foot glass tube. It means that when you have to pay before you enter in the tube. And passengers can get on and get off the tube very quickly, just only take 30 seconds. So it's more inconvenience for the passengers. And next is creative social program. The plan's name is Green Health. It means like all the workers are not farmers. They are drug addicts and alcoholic. The program helps them in two ways. First is it gives them jobs, and second is they can be a normal people after the program. It means like, okay, they can have jobs and they can get off the drug and alcohol in this program. And next is environment. They plant trees in this city. Like if your company sets a place for green, and you can pay lower taxes in this city. And the government also gives the neighborhood 1.5 million young trees to take care of. So it can make cities more prettier and cleaner. And next is garbage collection. The plan is called Green Exchange. It means when you give them 4 kilos of trash, you can get 1 kilo of fresh produce, such as potato or oranges. And next page is, there are some difficult words for you guys to memorize it, so have fun to memorize it. It's our feedback. Like after I read the article, I would like to live in this kind of city because it did some pretty, like, it did many good things for our earth, and it's a good sample for any other countries in the world. And welcome our next reporter, Alex. Give her a hand. Thank you.
Okay, this is another example description. Earthship homes. The earthship home is telling about its appearance. From the outside, it looks like a bird, and on the inside, it looks like a cozy home. And its price almost about 30,000 to 1 million. So it is cheap for a house. And its materials use tires, straw, and dirt, and concrete. And there are some difficult words you must know. Just look at it. And it's our feedback. We think Earthship is valuable, and if you don't have enough money or you want to do something good for our Earth, you can, the Earthship is your best choice. Okay, there are some questions. If you have answer, you can raise your hand, and teacher will give you points. And first question: how long have been Jem Lerner be mayor in Carlsbad?
Pick me. Half points. Thank you.
Thank you.